Hello everyone, in the previous video I made some progress again with the equipment system, and now I can give abilities based on the weapon, and I can give attributes like gameplay effects also based on the item. So if I play really quick and pick up the sword and equip it, I can now uh, activate some abilities, and from the equipment widget I can unequip, and now that I'm pressing, nothing happens. Okay, so the equipment system in the component, and just really quick, let me close everything. So the I have the active effect of an active gameplay effect handle structure, and the NRA abilities to handle when I remove. So the give gameplay effect is like that, and the remove gameplay effects, I just remove the active effect. In the gameplay abilities, I give the abilities through a loop, and the remove, I just remove it from the abilities to handle. This is okay only if you have one item to equip and unequip. Like maybe you have only one weapon at the time, but I have like 11 array elements, so I need to handle every item separately, and I need to have a unique way to remove the abilities and effects. So first of all, I will go back to the equipment system, to the data, and this is the test that I'm using, a gameplay effect test. And in the equipment slots, I will give two variables. The first one is effect to remove, and the second abilities to remove. So the first one is active gameplay effect handle, right? And the second one is what was it? Gameplay ability spec handle, this one, but this will be an array instead. So now I have the information that I need inside my array, and instead of promoting to variables, right, in the give gameplay effect and give abilities, I can say in the give gameplay effect I can um, delete it and delete it. Okay, I won't delete it for now. I will just promote it to a local variable and say effect handle local, and I will for now return this node. So this will be effect handle, right? And in the give abilities I can delete it as well, and I will promote to a local variable and say abilities spec handle, oops, local, and this will be an array. So I can go I can add the abilities, right? And on completed I can return, and I can return this array. Or I could actually, I don't mind to have it a variable abilities to handle. What is this? back handle. Okay, I need to refresh, I think. Refresh this as well. Okay, now in the give abilities, right, and give gameplay effect, I can say in the set correct data, which I'm setting the array element. I can have the abilities to handle to connect in the abilities to remove, and I can give an input and say effect handle, and this will be an active gameplay effect handle, and I can connect this effect handle. Okay, let me save in case this crashes. So now in the equip, I can connect those two, and later down the road I will be needing gameplay tag in both give gameplay effect and give abilities, but for now um, I can go to the remove abilities. This is okay, and remove gameplay effects. I will give an input and say this is a gameplay tag, so I will say slot ID, and I will take my equipment. Oops, I didn't want to do this. Okay, let me do this now. I will say for each loop with a break, and um, I can break the slot and matches tag. If this tag with get slot I can I not do this get slot? Oh, gameplay tag. Okay, and now I can say get slot ID, and if this is true, I will break, and on completed I can remove it by the start. So let me clean this up a little bit, and I can hide the unconnected pins. So now in the unequip item, I have the slot ID, and in the remove gameplay effects, I can connect the slot ID. So just for the testing, right? I have the health, and I'm adding max health of value 50, and this needs, by the way, to be infinite or has duration, because instant you can't remove it. And I believe I had the chest, so let me ability system debug, right? Attribute max health. So I believe that if I equip the chest, I have now a 60 max health, and if I remove it, I have 10, health, max health, which was the base value. And I need to do this because if I don't remove it like that, the active effect gameplay, so I can delete this now. The active effect gameplay will remove the last effect that this function um, gave. And now in the give abilities, I can say okay. And in the remove abilities, also I can give an input of slot ID, right? And I can take the equipment slot, do a for each loop with a break, break the struct, and if the slot ID matches with the slot ID from the function, I need to do this uh, to be exact match. And if these, oops, I need to connect first the loop. So if this is true, I will break and just to not lose compute power. I don't need to loop um, each array element to see if the tag matches. Each slot is a unique slot. Like this is slot weapon, this is slot chest, etc. So in completed, now I can say for each loop remove the abilities to handle, but instead of this ability, I will connect the abilities from my struct. So I can hide this now. I can let me do this, and in the clear ability, right, I can clear the abilities, and on completed I can take the abilities to handle and say clear. Okay, and now let me close everything up. So now in the unequip item, first of all I need the same slot ID, and in the set equipment data I will give the abilities to handle to remove, and the effect can stay empty. And this also could stay empty, but I'm clearing it, so this will be either way an empty array. So now in the unequip item, I'm setting the array element. I'm setting to, so I'm setting to the array element when I'm equipping as well. So if I play now and let's say pick up the chest and equip it, I have 60 health. Now I can pick up the sword. Hello ability 1, test 3. If I remove, I'm pressing it, nothing happens. And if I remove now the chest, I remove the effect. So just to test, I can a little bit more. I can go to my items, data, to equipable data, and in the rusty sword, effects to grant, let's give the same effect. And the abilities is like that. Okay. And if I play now, I can pick up the chest, equip, 60 max health. If I equip, I have now 110. And if I equip the glove as well, I believe, okay, I have 160. And now if I remove, I have 110, 60, and max health is back to 10. So yeah, this is the base of uh, the items, but also in give gameplay effect, I don't like it. I don't like it at all, because now I need to give a unique gameplay effect to each item. Like, what if the helmet doesn't give health and gives something else? I need to make a gameplay effect and have unique stats and unique gameplay effects for each item. So I will try in the next video to give effects in a more dynamic way. So that's it for it for now. Thanks for watching.